Around 3:30 a.m., a person was seen entering a construction site through an easily accessible gate. A stealth monitoring security operator activated the on-site speaker warning, then contacted local police. Our operator gave the dispatcher a detailed description of the suspect. The trespasser walked around the site, searching through various construction materials. He continued around the site on his search. Within minutes, several officers arrived and entered the site. They located the individual, then walked him outside the perimeter fence, where they made an arrest.